Harvesting. Your gardening rewards. There is nothing quite like the moment you pick the very first fruit, vegetable, or flower that grew because of your patience, your effort, and your faith in something you couldn't yet see. Have you ever planted a seed and wondered if it would ever grow? Maybe you watered it day after day. Maybe you protected it from weeds, pests, and storms. Maybe there were moments when it looked like nothing was happening at all. But then one day, something incredible happened. Tiny sprouts appeared. Leaves unfolded. Flowers bloomed. And eventually, the harvest arrived. Harvesting your gardening rewards is about much more than gathering vegetables or flowers. It's about witnessing the results of patience, dedication, and hope. It's a reminder that good things often take time, and that the greatest rewards usually come after seasons of hard work. Today, let's explore why harvesting a garden is one of life's most meaningful experiences and what it can teach us about life itself. The journey begins with a seed. Every harvest starts with something small: a tiny tomato seed, a bean seed, a sunflower seed. At first glance, it doesn't look like much. It's hard to imagine how something so small could produce something so valuable. Yet every gardener knows the secret. Inside that seed is potential. The same is true in our lives. Dreams begin as ideas. Success begins as effort. Relationships begin with a conversation. Great achievements often start small. The harvest reminds us that small beginnings should never be underestimated. The power of patience. One of the biggest lessons gardening teaches us is patience. In today's world, we want results immediately. Fast food, instant messages, next-day delivery. But gardens don't work that way. You cannot force a tomato plant to grow overnight. You cannot rush a pumpkin into maturity. Nature moves at its own pace. And sometimes, life does too. Harvest season teaches us that patience isn't wasted time. It's preparation time. Every day that passes is helping something develop beneath the surface. Even when you can't see growth, growth is happening. Overcoming challenges along the way. Every gardener faces obstacles: unexpected storms, extreme heat, drought, insects, weeds, diseases. There are moments when it feels like all your hard work might be lost. Life can feel that way too. Challenges show up when we least expect them. Plans fall apart. Disappointments happen. Progress slows down. But experienced gardeners know something important. You don't give up because of one bad day. You keep tending the garden. You keep watering. You keep believing. And often the harvest comes despite the difficulties, sometimes because of them. The joy of seeing results. Few feelings compare to harvesting something you grew yourself. Picking a ripe tomato, pulling a carrot from the soil, gathering fresh peppers, cucumbers, or beans, seeing flowers burst with color. These moments bring genuine joy because they represent effort rewarded. Every harvest tells a story of early mornings, a story of watering cans and garden tools, a story of persistence. When you hold that harvest in your hands, you're holding the result of hundreds of small actions that added up over time. That's a powerful lesson. Success in life rarely comes from one big moment. It comes from consistent effort repeated day after day. Gratitude grows in the garden. Harvest season naturally creates gratitude. You begin to appreciate things that are easy to overlook: the sunshine, the rain, healthy soil, the miracle of growth itself. You realize how many things had to come together for that harvest to exist. Gardening reminds us that we are connected to something bigger than ourselves. We don't control every part of the process, yet somehow, nature continues to provide. Gratitude turns an ordinary harvest into something extraordinary. Instead of focusing on what's missing, we begin celebrating what we have, sharing the harvest. One of the greatest joys of gardening is sharing. Giving tomatoes to neighbors, sharing fresh vegetables with family, offering flowers to friends. Many gardeners discover they often grow more than they can use. And that's a beautiful thing, because harvest isn't just about receiving, it's about giving. The same principle applies in life. Our talents are meant to help others. Our knowledge is meant to be shared. Our blessings become even more meaningful when they benefit someone else. A shared harvest multiplies joy. Life has seasons. Gardens teach us that life comes in seasons. There are planting seasons, growing seasons, waiting seasons, and harvesting seasons. Sometimes we become discouraged because we expect harvest during a planting season, but every season serves a purpose. The gardener understands that growth requires time. If you're in a season of hard work right now, don't lose hope. If you're planting seeds of effort, kindness, faith, or determination, your harvest may be closer than you think. Keep going. The season will change. The harvest is worth it. When harvest time finally arrives, all the work makes sense. The watering, the weeding, the waiting, the setbacks, the uncertainty. Suddenly, you see why you didn't quit. You see the reward that was developing all along. This is true in gardens, and it's true in life. Many of the most meaningful rewards require perseverance. The harvest reminds us that effort matters, consistency matters, faith matters, and eventually, those things produce results. Conclusion: harvesting your gardening rewards is more than collecting fruits, vegetables, or flowers. It's a celebration of patience, a reward for perseverance, a reminder that growth often happens long before we can see it. Every harvest tells us a simple but powerful truth. Good things take time. Seeds become plants, plants become harvests, and small daily efforts become extraordinary results. If you're planting good seeds today, whether in a garden, a dream, a relationship, or your personal growth, don't give up. Keep watering, keep believing, keep showing up, because every season of effort eventually leads to a season of reward. Your harvest is coming, and when it arrives, you'll realize that every moment of waiting was worth it. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and remember, never underestimate what can grow from a single seed planted with hope.